Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the freezer doorstop on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the upper hinge cover and use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the hinge. Support the freezer door as you remove the hinge. Lift off the freezer door and set it on a towel or blanket. Now unthread the 2 Phillips-head screws to release the old doorstop. Install the new doorstop by aligning it on the bottom of the door, then secure it with the screws. With the new stop in place, reposition the door on the center hinge pin. Align the upper hinge and thread the 2 screws. Snap on the hinge cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.